Another perfect day in Breezy Meadow.
Time to check my inventions.
The flowers are blooming beautifully.
Hay bales make the best lookout spots.
This seed dispenser could revolutionize farming.
Nature provides for all who respect it. The seed stores are empty. What happened overnight?
Pico, come quick! Something's wrong!
Empty seeds? Sounds like mischief afoot.
These feathers and tracks lead to the loft. It's not mischief, but need.
Let's climb and see who's up there.
My tools will help us investigate safely.
We'll approach with kindness.
Goggles on for safety.
Together, we'll discover the truth gently.
Almost there. Be quiet, friends. A barn owl family? That's who took the seeds. Their hunting grounds disturbed by a fallen tree?
Poor things. They're just trying to feed their chicks.
We have to help them clear that fallen tree. I'll rig up a system with ropes.
Yes, and identify safe branches.
Adventure time to the Owl's Meadow.
That's a big oak. Time for my rope system.
These branches shelter field mice. We must be careful.
Pull together. It's moving.
The rope's slipping. Need a better knot. The mice are safe now. Good teamwork. First part done. Great job, team. Look, the tree hit a wild berry bush. These berries are amazing. A secret food source. Helping the owls revealed this gift for us all. So many berries, enough for the whole village.
Truly, the meadow is bountiful today.
Sharing with the owls brought us this abundance.
This branch is stuck tight.
How do we move this without harming more? We can do this. Together, we're stronger.
Pulley system engaged. Pull now.
We did it! The meadow is clear! The meadow is restored. Perfect for hunting again.
Can't wait to share these with the village.
Now the loft is officially protected.
Thanks to the owls, we have a new food source.
Hooray for the secret berries! All the stars are are bright tonight. Come and dance until the light. Feel the rhythm.
What a day! Sharing really does create more.
Friends like us can achieve anything.
The owls are safe now, thanks to us. And that's how the barn owl's secret helped us all.
Thank you for the berries.
We dance and sing beneath the stars so bright, celebrating breezy meadow tonight. To new friends and abundance.
Our friendship made this possible.
Sharing creates more abundance than hoarding ever could.